Remember the Starship Enterprise disappearing? That iconic moment when it vanished into thin air? That's cloaking, and it's not just science fiction anymore. Today, scientists are working tirelessly to turn this dream into reality. The idea of invisibility has fascinated us for centuries, from ancient myths to modern movies. Stories of magical cloaks and invisible men have captured our imagination. But can we really make things disappear? Is it possible to hide objects from plain sight? The answer, surprisingly, is a cautious yes. Recent breakthroughs in science and technology are paving the way. Science is taking us closer to the dream of invisibility. Researchers are exploring new materials and techniques to bend light around objects. While a Star Trek-like cloaking device is still a way off, we're making amazing progress. The future holds exciting possibilities. We're learning to manipulate light, the very essence of visibility, and bend it to our will. This could revolutionize how we see the world. Imagine light as a stream of water. A rock in the stream makes the water flow around it, right? Cloaking works on a similar principle. We can't make objects vanish completely, but we can make them invisible to certain wavelengths of light. How do we bend light? The answer lies in special materials and clever engineering. We're developing materials that can guide light around an object, making it seem like the object isn't even there. Enter Metam Materials. These aren't your everyday materials. They're artificially created with unique properties not found in nature. Metam Materials are like tiny antennas, designed to interact with light in very specific ways. These tiny antennas can bend, scatter, or even absorb light, depending on their design. By carefully arranging these metamaterials, we can control how light interacts with an object and make it invisible to certain wavelengths. Section 4. Active camouflage, blending in like a chameleon. Another approach to invisibility is active camouflage. Think of a chameleon changing its skin color to match its surroundings. Active camouflage works on a similar principle, but instead of changing color, it manipulates light itself. Active camouflage systems use sensors to detect the surrounding light, and then project a matching pattern onto the object being concealed. This creates the illusion that the object is not there, effectively blending it into the background. Section 5. Cloaking Today. From microwaves to visible light, the journey of cloaking technology has been fascinating and full of challenges. So what have we achieved so far in this intriguing field? Scientists have already successfully cloaked objects from microwaves, which are longer than visible light waves. This is a significant milestone. This technology has potential applications in radar cloaking, making aircraft invisible to radar systems, thus enhancing stealth capabilities. More recently, researchers have made progress in cloaking objects from visible light, though on a limited scale. This is a more complex challenge due to the shorter wavelength. These breakthroughs, while still in their early stages, offer a glimpse into a future where invisibility might not just be a fantasy, but a reality we can achieve. Section 6. The Future of Invisibility, from Military to Medicine. The potential applications of cloaking technology are vast and varied, stretching across multiple disciplines and industries. In the military, cloaking could be used for stealth operations, rendering vehicles and personnel invisible to enemy detection. This would provide a significant tactical advantage, allowing for covert missions and reducing the risk of casualties. But the applications go far beyond the battlefield. The same principles that make cloaking useful in military scenarios can be adapted for civilian use. In medicine, cloaking could be used to hide surgical instruments from the body's immune system, improving surgical outcomes. This could lead to fewer complications and a higher success rate in complex surgeries. Imagine a world where surgery is less invasive and recovery times are shorter. Patients could return to their daily lives more quickly, with less pain and fewer scars. While true invisibility, like Harry Potter's cloak, remains a distant possibility, the science behind cloaking is rapidly advancing. Researchers are making strides in understanding how to manipulate light and develop materials that can bend it around objects. As we continue to unlock the secrets of light and develop new materials with extraordinary properties, the line between science fiction and reality will continue to blur. These advancements could lead to new technologies we haven't even imagined yet. The future of invisibility is bright, full of potential to revolutionize various fields and change the world as we know it. From enhancing military capabilities to transforming medical procedures, the possibilities are truly endless.